Experiencing internet connectivity problems with your ThinkPad docking station? You're not alone. Many issues stem from software glitches, especially after Windows updates. First, identify the problem. Is it a no internet error, slow LAN speeds, or intermittent Wi Fi drops? Start with the basics. Ensure your USB-C or dock connector is securely plugged into your ThinkPad. Then power cycle both the dock and your laptop. Next, check your network connections and ensure the network is working correctly. If problems persist, move on to updating software. If a reboot doesn't fix it, focus on software. Open Lenovo Vantage and run a system update. This tool can automatically diagnose and update your dock's firmware and drivers, critical for compatibility. Manually update drivers if needed. If Vantage doesn't resolve the problem, visit Lenovo's support website and download the latest universal dock driver for your specific dock model and Windows version. Mismatched or outdated drivers are a frequent culprit, causing code 45 errors in Device Manager. For advanced troubleshooting, reset your network settings using command prompt with ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew. If you're in a corporate environment, check VLAN settings. Hardware issues are less common but possible. Test with a known good Ethernet cable to rule out cable faults. If problems persist, contact Lenovo support as hardware failures in older docks may require replacement.